Shot, we're on our way to the function. Really hot, really hot. I ain't got no drive, so it's just me. Oh, I'm glowing. Baby, I'm glowing. We back at it. Ay, grabe. Ready na siya rumampa, oh. Oh my God. Sige nga, practice. Vlogger na ako eh. Hey guys, in today's video, papayain ko si Patrick. Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Boy, I'm fucking cooked. Cooked. Regala mo ba? Picture. Oh my God. I'm Marlon. What is the importance of education to you? Time is ticking, sir.
Education is powerful, okay? It opens doors and gives us opportunity, and it gives us success.
I can't hear you.
And it gives us the values that we need while we grow up and prepare ourselves to the real world.
How lovely.
And I think the most important form of education is self-education. Because education doesn't stop us. He is cooked. Absolutely cooked. I'm fucked up. Holy shit.
Man's accepted defeat. It is over. Marlon and Lacey. Hey, sakto to. Wait.
Yung ticket ko. Oo. Ito ang sabi.
Kabadong-kabado. Uy, wow. Uy, lakas naman. Ready na siya rumampa. Ayaw. 360. 360. Naka-easy siya, oh. Wow. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet, sweet cola. Ay! Ang lakas niya rumampa. Ang lakas niya. Anong lakad yan? Kuya, anong lakad yan?
Next one, go. 1, 2.
Grabe.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. Change formation. And 5, 6. Sige na. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Girls, pass up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready, 4, 5, 6. Huwag kayong kinakabahan.
Aray ko. Gusto niya na chat ko ako. Ay, grabe.
Manya observers.
Oh my God, guys. I got caught in today's vlog. Ay. I miss Alvin.
Ano sabi sa'yo ni Mama? Ano sabi sa'yo ni Mama?
Sabi ko fit check. Hindi nakapasok sa hotel pero Ayos yung check. Ay, kasama ko si Alden Richards.
Napagkamalan nga manager.
Oh, manager. Manager ako eh. Manager 5. How do you handle challenges in school or in life?
First, I don't overcomplicate challenges in life. Some of the challenges in my life is beyond my control, and dealing with them only waste my energy. And I just think and understand the situation and weigh in my options. Weigh in.
Wala na, talo ka na. Talo na yan.
Weigh in.
Papasok ako. Grabe. We got it. Ano masasabi mo? Makapasok ako. Uy, ready na yan? Panalo ka na dyan. Malala. Moments before disaster. Yan na. Patrick, ano masasabi mo? Oh yeah, baby. Let's get it. Dito na ako sa labas na. I got it. This girl, I'm from the city. Is your name Google? Cause you're the one I've been searching for. Pandeng. Check y'all. What's up? Oh, he ready. Ready. Wait, check nga natin. Big check. Woo. Any last words?
Okay, so number 5 po. Totoo nga naman napaka-gorgeous nga naman.
Patrick Mawasi, representing Batch 26 Nursing Aid.
dahil sa moment. Thank you po.
Alright. So repeat the question once again. So candidate number 4.
Wala na, umalis na.
How does it feel?
Nag-walking na siya.
I'm gonna pick your first.
Gusto pa niya mag-walking sa labas.
Okay, first question is, if you're given a platform, what advocacy would you promote and why? Again, if you're given a platform, what advocacy would you promote and why?
First and foremost, I want to thank you for the school for this wonderful event and for this opportunity. And coming back for the question is, if I was given an opportunity, I was given a advocacy, what will I say? So, I would say is I will advocate self-confidence and self-awareness. So basically, a lot of young people nowadays do not believe in themselves. If you don't believe in yourself, no one will. And actually knowing this makes me, motivates me to move harder and push harder every day. And I live this with a quote. People believe in aliens exist, but they don't believe in themselves. Thank you.
Oh, very articulate answer.
Ang galing mo. Proud na proud mama mo ko. Oh my God. Himagin. Yung ba yung post ko? Grabe. Ha? Pogi. My food stamp on caught. I can't go inside. Ako love na love mo talaga ako. Grabe, angas. Woo! My God. Para kang Lana Del Rey character. Aba, gusto mo naman picture ka? Ano nangyari? Okay lang ba yung si memories? Dito dapat tayo. Ano, bakit? Tangan mo. Panalo na ba yan?
Natawa ako, may second place na ako. Wait, natatakot ako, baka mag second place na ako.
Hindi ganyan.
6-2 versus 5-6.
5-6 versus 6-2. Kurong ka. Rampa ng rampa. I don't know what to say. Hit check. We tried Marlon's method. Don't it work? Does it work? I don't know. You'll be the judge. Oh, 360.
So, the winner for the Mr. Photogenic. The winner is male candidate number 6, Patrick Mawashi. And the Miss Photogenic, the winner is female candidate number 7, Esther Saldamay.
And our Mr. Primary first runner-up is male candidate number 1, Joseph David.
So Mr. and Miss Frankridge 2026, a plaque, a crown, a cash, and a sash, plus a wine to be awarded by Miss Joan P. Maniago, the CEO, and Mr. Dennis Mark Maniago, the COO, and our Mr. and Miss Frankridge 2025, Miss Maritoni Palo, and Mr. Jeremiah Gallia. Hey, parang wala nang winner in the partner.
Sino kaya nag-align ng stars sa universe?
Yes! Sino kaya ang major winner for tonight?
Sino kaya ang may confidently beautiful with the hearts?
Yes! Kanino kaya silver lining ang nanalo ngayon? Okay! Say your loudest winner, candidate, as we announce the winner.
But of course, congratulations to all of the candidates here in front. Thank you so much for showing off your greatness, the strength that you showed. Congratulations, you deserve a warm applause.
Yes, kaya palakpakan natin lahat ng mga candidate na nag-showcase ng kanilang talent, elegance, and beauty for tonight. Alright! Huwag na natin patagalin pa, partner!
Huwag na natin talaga.
Nasa kamay na natin kung sino ang magiging Mr. and Miss Frankridge 2026. So for the male candidate, the Mr. and Miss Frankridge 2026 is candidate number 6, Mr. Bobby Kowalski.
Congratulations! You are Mr. Primary 2026.
Congratulations, candidate number 6.
At eto na nga, partner.
Ito na, ito na,
Ang
ito na.
pinakahihintay ng mga audience natin here.
Okay, kanino kaya?
Wala kaya ka sa Pink Panther?
Or TM Eagles?
O baka naman sa mga Green Dragons?
Sa King Falcons kaya? Without further ado, we will announce the winner. So, the Miss Frankridge 2026 is candidate number 5. Mr. Frankridge ng mga Pink Vipers! Right. Okay. Mr. Patrick and Mr. John, you will now take your first walk as Mr. and Miss Frankridge 2026. A big round of applause for them, everybody.
Yes, here are your Mr. and Miss Primary 2026 winners.
Nanalo siya.
The fourth place winner for the congratulations to all our winners and candidates. You have all made Cambridge proud. But the celebration doesn't end.
Deixa timidez de lado, puxa a mim e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê sabe, nunca vai analisar. Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa a mim e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê sabe, que ninguém vai te tirar. Pode sentar. Pode sentar.
Flawless victory. Tama ako. As always, I can predict the future. Okay, maybe an assist. Wala ka lang picture mag-isa. Picturean lang kita kanina eh. Isa? Ha? Isa? Kaya pa? top. Ano nangyari? Balita. Looking good, looking good. Flawless victory. Sabi ko na nga ba, my prediction was right. He's gonna win. Ini-ignore mo yung di mo nagugutom na ako sa likod do. Pero nawalan yung gutom ko, yung nanalo ka, loko. Nanalo ka.
yung nagmotor na yon, ano niya si Amy.
Si Amy yung classmate namin. Parang common na rin din yung diba?
Parang ikaw pa yung nakakuha ng crowd of... Ay, hindi si Mike pala. Si Mike yung nakakuha. Crowd, ano...
Sinong nanalong course runner-up?
Sila Amy yung classmate ko.
Yup. Kakainin. Oh my God! He's a winner. This guy's a winner. Oh my God, chat. We saw snow bunnies. Nakita mo yung snow bunny? Nagulat ako, yung snow bunny. Woo!
Ano yun, no?
Oh, yan. Oh, ba't kaya nandun sila? Ba't kaya?
1 point na lang. Na magayo pa. 1 point na lang. Alam mo, sabi ko nga kasi kasali dapat ako doon sa pickleball. Kasi hindi na ako lang kasama dapat ako. Sana ako. Yung nangyari, hindi pala pwede.
Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. First time in the club.
Andito na sa pinto. Ano? Sa pinto. Tingin ka na? Sayed ka dito.
Yeah, we got that. And I can't find my ID, so that's that. Time. That concludes our journey. Mission accomplished. Yep. And that's that. Just me. Bye bye.